What if you never had to visit a petrol pump again, and could charge your scooter right inside your room? Today, we're talking about the all-new Honda EM1e, a simple electric scooter with a smart idea. Bell, subscribe CTA. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to SG Riders and hit the bell icon for daily bike and EV updates. Hey guys, welcome back to SG Riders. In today's video, we're taking a look at the Honda EM1e. 2026, one of the most practical and beginner-friendly electric scooters available right now. This is not a high-speed machine. This is not a racing scooter. But what it does offer is something very important: simplicity, convenience, and a smart electric solution for everyday city riding. So if you're a student, office worker, or someone looking for an easy daily ride, this scooter might be exactly what you need. High voltage, segment 1, biggest highlight, removable battery. Let's start with the most important and most viral feature of the Honda EM1e, the removable battery system. Yes, you heard that right. Unlike most electric scooters where you have to plug the entire scooter into a charging point, this scooter allows you to simply remove the battery and take it anywhere. You can carry it to your home, your office, or even your room and charge it just like a mobile phone. Flushed face. This is a game changer, especially in cities where charging infrastructure is still limited. Charging time is around 5 to 6 hours for a full charge, which is perfect for overnight charging. So basically, you ride all day and charge it while you sleep. Simple. Bell, subscribe reminder. Subscribe to SG Riders for more smart EV updates like this fire. Gear, segment 2, performance and specs. Now let's talk about performance. The Honda EM1e comes with a hub-mounted electric motor producing around 1.7 kilowatts of power. Now, this might not sound very powerful. But remember this: scooter is designed for city use. The top speed is around 45 kilometers per hour, which is ideal for urban roads, traffic, and short commutes. The torque delivery is instant, as expected from an electric scooter, so acceleration feels smooth and silent. And when it comes to range, you can expect around 40 to 48 kilometers on a single charge. So yes, it's not meant for long rides. But for daily short trips, it works perfectly. Brain, segment 3, features and technology. Now let's look at the features. Honda has kept things simple but practical. You get a digital LCD display that shows all the basic information like speed, battery level, and ride stats. There's also a USB charging port, so you can charge your phone while riding. The scooter comes with full LED lighting, giving it a modern and clean look. You also get an econ mode, which helps save battery and increase range when needed. And for security, there's an immobilizer system that prevents theft. So while this scooter may not have fancy touchscreen displays or advanced AI features, it gives you everything you actually need for daily use. Motor scooter, segment 4, design and comfort. Now let's talk about design and comfort. The Honda EM1e has a clean, simple, and minimalistic design. It's not aggressive or sporty; instead, it focuses on practicality. The scooter is lightweight, weighing around 95 kilograms, which makes it super easy to handle, especially for beginners and new riders. The seat is wide and comfortable enough for 2 people. The flat floorboard gives you extra space to carry bags or groceries. And because of its compact size, it's very easy to ride in traffic and park in tight spaces. This makes it perfect for daily city life. Battery, segment 5, real-world usage. So how does it perform in real life? This scooter is best for short daily commutes, college or school rides, office travel, quick errands. You don't have to worry about petrol prices. You don't have to visit fuel stations. Just charge the battery and ride. However, if your daily travel is more than 40 to 50 km, then this scooter might not be the best option for you. Balance scale, segment 6, pros and cons. Let's quickly go through the pros and cons. White heavy checkmark pros. Removable battery, very convenient. Easy to ride and beginner friendly. Low running cost. Lightweight and practical. Crossmark cons. Limited range. Low top speed. Not suitable for highways. Basic features compared to premium EVs. So yes, it has limitations. But it also has a clear purpose. Checkered flag, final verdict. So what's the final verdict? The Honda EM1e is not trying to compete with high-performance electric scooters. Instead, it focuses on solving a real problem: easy charging and simple daily commuting. If you want an attention, eco-friendly, and easy-to-use scooter, this is a great choice. But if you want speed, long range, and advanced features, you should look at other options. So guys, what do you think about the Honda EM1e? Would you buy it, or go for a more powerful electric scooter? Thinking face. Comment down below, backhand index pointing down. And don't forget to like, thumbs up, share, fire, and subscribe to SG Riders for more amazing bike and EV content. See you in the next video. Till then, ride smart, ride electric. High voltage motor scooter.